Hello guys, today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for digital planners and calendars. Business isn't quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So here you can choose the topic of your business. So digital planners isn't here, so you can, for example, you can choose all templates in the topic, and the type, maybe it's services. Here you can choose one of these templates. You can start with one of these here, and also you can build your own templates. So let's get started from here, and let's go. Here you can type your business name, type any name for digital planners and calendars business as you like. Now let's continue. Here you're gonna build your homepage. Build your homepage section by section, as in as many or as a few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your website looks better and attractive to attract more people and more customers. uh, all the sections must be an attractive section, so you have to try anything you can do to make it better and attractive. That's it. Now let's continue. Add page to your site. Choose the color, choose any color you like it, and the font also, you can choose any font you like. Now let's move on. Wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website, add the details, and if you want to skip, I'm gonna skip from here. I'm gonna skip this. So this is your homepage, your website homepage right now. You can edit it from here, so click edit, and the first thing here, you have to change this text here. Introduce your brand. For example, you can type welcome to our site, for digital planners and calendars. And also you can change the text on this label. And if you want to add something on your section, you can add image or text or video, whatever you'd like to add here. You can add something new on your homepage. You can add a section. Just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add. Now let's move on to the background. So you can select just a simple arch, or if you want to add image as a background. So select from library and go to the free image and search here on digital planners. And calendars. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So here you can change the color of the font. So you can make it black or dark. Here you can move the sections, you can move it up or down, you can save it from this heart icon, and also you can duplicate it from here. You can change the mobile view. You can change the view, you can make it like a mobile view like this or like this up view. Now let's move on to the site header. You can change the site title if you don't like it. Also you can upload the logo image as a file or select from library. You can also upload the mobile logo image. You can go to the elements and customize the elements section here. You can change the text on this label, and you can turn this on the language switch and the card. That's it. Now let's move on to the next. Here you can change the wave intensity. Go to the design here and change the wave intensity and the text size. Now let's move on. Here you have to delete this image first and add another one. So um, okay, I'm gonna choose this. For example, the text here use the space to talk about your shop and your products, how and where are they made, what makes them unique. So you can change the paragraph. Just click here and change the paragraph. And now wait, you can add just a simple art on the background like this. Also here just a simple art. So this is the testimonials. Tell people about your who you are, your origin, your process, or your inspirations. That's it. Here the social section, you can change the background, just a simple art as the same thing as the normal. Here you can change the social links, and here instead of this image you can add, for example, a map. So put it here, and you can make it bigger than this. Now click here and you can add your business name and your address and the city and the state and the country. Also you can change the design of your map. After this you can go to the background and select just a simple art. That's it. Also here just you can select just a simple art on this footer section. So this is the last section on the website. You can change the location and the hours and the contacts. Now if you're done from designing and customizing your website, you can go to the site style section and you can change the fonts, the colors, the animations, the spacing, the buttons and the image blocks. So if you're done from here, you can save this and go to the selling section and add products to your inventory. So after you're done from here, you can add the product to your inventory and customize the price and your name of your product and add the way to get paid. After this, choose the subscription plan, and the last step is publish your website and start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your sites on Squarespace for digital planners and calendars, business easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.